Well, hi there, everyone. Want to give you a quick update as to what's going on. A rare blizzard warning goes into effect at 2 a.m. tomorrow morning until noon. It's so rare that we get one. What exactly does that mean? It means we're going to have strong wind gusts, 45 to 50 miles per hour or stronger at the same time as heavy snow. So really, when you get blizzard warnings, that means you have whiteout conditions or sustained reduced visibility, meaning it's going to be really tough to see even your hand in front of you. So if you don't need to travel over the mountains, in fact, I would strongly encourage you to reroute that completely and simply not go. We've got heavy amounts of snow for Snoqualmie Pass, 10 inches or more, for Stevens Pass, 20 inches or more, and for Mount Baker, 2 to 3 feet of snow. Our snow level is going to be dropping down to 2,000 feet at times for your Wednesday, 3,000 feet on Thursday, and then back down to 1,500 or 2,000 feet on Friday. And yes, those winds are going to be cranking. Both a wind advisory in the lighter color and in that darker color, a high wind warning. Both of those are through 6 a.m. for your Wednesday. And yes, we continue in first alert weather mode throughout the day tomorrow. So strong winds tomorrow morning. We're looking at heavy amounts of snow off and on throughout the day for the mountains in all of the passes. For the lowlands, we're looking at about another half an inch to inch of rain, maybe a little bit more than that between tonight and tomorrow night. And yes, some area rivers will continue to flood. Some will be due to some dams actually releasing some of that water back. It'll kind of ebbs and flow. It will go up and down for some area rivers, but places like the Skagit at Mount Vernon and Concrete still expected to be in major flood stage tomorrow and likely through Thursday at least.